Hello students, this is Nitiksha, a counselor from Technobrilliant Learning Solutions. Here I have come to tell you the process of Technobrilliant Learning Solutions in 4 steps. Okay, so let's move to the first process, that is called training process. We teach students syllabus from basic to advanced level. In that, we also cover your test, your projects, your assignments, which is covered under training process. Okay, let's move to the second process. In second process, we teach students and prepare students for interview preparation. In that, we also cover your communication skill, personality development, resume build-up, LinkedIn connection improvement, and also a spoken English. Okay. Along with that, we also covered that is called a mock interview, which will be held internal as well as external. Okay. So let's move to the third point, which is covered for the certification. We provide 2 certifications from Technobrilliant Learning Solutions. First certification is a course certification, which is as a standard government approved. Okay, and the second certification would be provided as an internship letter, which will be based on projects. Okay, so after that, moving to the fourth process, that is called your basic and a best, that is from 100% placement assistancy. Okay, so placement assistancy is like we do provide students a placement from our side, which is an unlimited interview calls from our side. Okay, students, so if you want to connect with us, do contact us or Technobrilliant Solutions on given number and start your career in good MNC company by us. Thank you so much.